Hi folks, Russ with ProSteam here, and today we're working on this amazing Duresta sofa. It's probably one of the deepest sofas I've ever come across in all the years I've been cleaning upholstery. It's absolutely huge, and it's really beautiful. It's a blend. I'd say it's a cotton blend. We've already cleaned the scatter cushions there, and they've come up really nice. Now we're using a product specifically designed for this kind of fabric. We're going to clean the high contact areas, all the arms, the front and the top and everything around the back here, and also the main base cushions as well. And the main base cushions are slightly yellow. They've got a kind of a yellow look to it. If you compare the top here to maybe the side, that doesn't get a lot of contact, so the side looks quite bright, whereas the top is a bit yellow. So hopefully we will see a bit of a difference. Right, that's the job complete, and let's just take a look at the areas that were quite soiled, the high contact areas. So the arms on this sofa were quite soiled, and now they look great, and it's almost dry. So we've had our drying equipment accelerate the drying process, very important, so at least the customer will be able to use the furniture later this evening. And this is how we leave the cushions, so we can get some air around them, and again that will help to accelerate the drying process. So there you go. So if you have a Duresta sofa and you're worried about who to get to clean it, these are the results that we can achieve. Okay, we may not be your cheapest option, but at the end of the day, if you have quality furniture that costs a lot of money, you don't just want anybody cleaning it. There's just too much risk involved. There you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.